5 batches of eggs imported from Turkey have been found to be contaminated with traces of nitrofurans, which are carcinogenic. All in all, about 127 tons of eggs have been affected, and all will be returned to Turkey or destroyed.
The import was carried out by the National Animal Industry Foundation as part of a government plan to stabilize the supply of eggs amid a shortage in production in Taiwan. The foundation says it will seek 5 million NT in compensation from Turkey.
Back in March, the Council of Agriculture launched a short-term egg import scheme to mitigate an egg shortage in Taiwan. That resulted in a large number of chicken eggs getting shipped in from around the world. On Tuesday, the Food and Drug Administration announced that 5 batches of eggs imported from Turkey, totaling about 127 tons, had been found to be contaminated with traces of cancer-causing nitrofurans.
We found nitrofurans, which are drugs banned for use in animals in Taiwan. Any country that wants to sell food products in Taiwan has to abide by our food safety laws. So these 5 batches from Turkey will be returned or destroyed.
A toxicologist says that in animal trials, nitrofurans have been proven to increase the chances of contracting cancer when ingested in large quantities.
Nitrofurans are antibiotics. They are used to raise laying hens to prevent disease and treat infections. Through animal trials, we know that these kinds of nitrofuran antibiotics increase the risk of cancer.
The National Animal Industry Foundation, which started procuring eggs from Turkey in April, says it has terminated the import of eggs from the country and will seek 5 million NT in compensation. If any future need arises to import eggs from the country, it will require Turkish authorities to conduct tests before shipping.
We will seek more than 1 million NT in compensation from Turkey. In the future, if we need to import eggs, we will preferably work with countries whose eggs have tested negative for traces of banned substances.
This incident is the first case of contamination in imported eggs. The FDA says that besides returning or destroying all contaminated eggs, it will maintain border checks on every batch imported so that the problematic eggs do not enter the Taiwan market. With Taiwan's egg production set to stabilize in July, the FDA says no food companies have applied to continue importing eggs from abroad.